Hello friends, this is Yasir and in this video I'm gonna show you some components which we get from React Native. So go to our project which we previously created, go to app.js file and remove all the things from here and simply write a simple project here. I have a format, that's why I copy paste that format here. Simply I add component that get from React, and there are three other components, text, view and Stylesheet, that I get from React Native. After that I create a class which have two keywords, render and return. View is not necessary, but this code is necessary to create a class component. In another video I will discuss about what is the difference between class component and function component. So here I'm gonna use class component for my project, and here is the style sheet. Style sheet is basically same as CSS which we use in web or React. So let's start. Simply we write view here. This is basically the main view, and I'm gonna give this view a style. Style is equal to styles dot main view. This main view call from here, and this styles help us to point out this main view. Okay, this is called inner CSS or inner style sheet. If you want to add these styles there, you can also do this. Add another curly braces and add flex 1 align content equal colon center. Here it is. This is same as this right here, but we write here a generic form. That's why we write style dot main view here. This is a simple view. In this view I write text. Let's put yes I am React Native developer. Let's give that text a style. Simply text style is equal to open curly braces. Our font size is 25, comma, align text, set text align, colon center, font weight, bold. So this is the style of our text here. Let's save this. But I don't want to use this style here, so I add here another style. Simply I write text styling colon curly braces and cut this from here and paste it here, and simply give here a path style dot text style. Here we go. Let's run this project. Simply go to terminal, new terminal. Here I write npx react native run android. I'm not working on emulator or simulator. I'm working on real-time device. So I run enter. First time it will take time. After that it will install in very less time. Don't worry about that. As you see, my project is running and my text shown in my mobile. Let's see something from here. Font size equal 20. Okay, that's good. Now what if I add an image here? Simply I drag this image and drop here. And let's give the link of that image first. Import, give image name, just like image name. Okay, DOM, and what is the path? abc dot jpg. This is the jpg format image, that's why I write it jpg. I recommend you to add png file image, that is better for your project. I know I add the path here, and I want to get it after the text, so simply add image, yes, and give a source. Here no drop down show correctly because I don't call it here as a component, so I add here image. Now we add this. Simply we are seeing in our drop down menu image show automatically because I add as a component here. Image, I give it a source is equal to, what is the source name? We give the name as image name, so copy this and paste it here and control save. This is an image that show in our screen, but this image is very large. Let's give this image a style is equal to, I give it an inline styling, that's why I write double curly braces here. So I set height colon 200 and width colon 400. Control save, and here we go. Our image is set correctly. You also give here percentage form numbers, just like width is 100%. As you see, nothing changed because our mobile's 100% width used by this image. If we edit it to 70, and you see in my screen image crop automatically, so I give it 400. That's okay with it, because percentage approach is not good for native apps, this is good for web apps. After that, I'm going to add a button, a simple button. So simply add component here, button, and add here a button. Let's give it a name, title equal to, we use equal to sign here inside the button, otherwise we use colon, and we name it press me. Oops, an error occurred because we don't keep single quotations. Control C, and here it is a button. If we want to give a styling to button, that is not directly possible. For that purpose, I use a view here. View. Simply wrap that button into the view. Control V. The view and give it a styling. Style is equal to, and in this view we give the width is, let's suppose, 100, and height is 102. Keep it 100. Control save, and you have seen the press me is automatically cropped successfully. Now if you want to show the button in center, simply write here the properties, that is align item colon center. As you see, the button is moving the center but not in the center of the image. That is because we don't give properties to this view, this main view. Remove this property and simply write here align item to center, and you see our button is shown in center. After that, if you have to give the margin, then you also give it here, margin 30, and you also give margin here, margin 30. This looks better. This is the basic syntax of Tech With Yasir. If I want to add the background color, then I give background color to this main view, because all the things wrap in between this view. So give it a color, background color yellow. As you have seen, our screen is yellow now. This is for today's tutorial. Thank you.